Count Dracula sleeps in this coffin, but rises every night at sunset. Chick is right. This is awful silly stuff. Dracula can change himself at will into a vampire bat, flying about the countryside. Flying. He keeps himself alive by drinking the blood
Hey guys, today we would like to share with you something we just got in the mail. Our new Lemax Spooky Town Halloween Carnival piece.
Because you know it's about time for us to put up our Halloween carnival decorations, John.
Yeah, it takes a few days to do all that. This piece is probably the most expensive piece, not probably, it is the most expensive piece that I can remember Lemax ever bringing out. This piece was $170.
Now, we had a yard sale and sold some old decorations and things that we didn't use anymore, and we bought this. Now, Michael's used to have a 50% coupon, but I think the most that we've got this year was 40%. And of course, these were already on sale 30%, and this one was not in our store.
Yeah, this one wasn't in any store, Michael, so you could not use the coupon. The only way you could get this is order it online from a vendor. We got this one in California. So it came all the way across the country. And we'll share with you a box on that. But we wanted it. We like the carnival pieces. They're highly collectible. I don't know how many more we'll buy. If they keep raising them in price, we're not going to buy any more. This is outrageous.
This may be it for us.
But we're going to go in there, unbox this, and we're going to show you what it does. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Just wanted to share with you before we start the video what the box that it arrived in looks like. A little crushed on top, crushed over here. Let's hope that it didn't damage the inside of the ride. The ride came from California, so they just kind of, guess, threw it around on the truck. I don't know. All right, guys, let's look at the box first. But first, look at this. Did have some damage from that box I showed you. These are usually packed pretty good. Probably didn't hurt it. Let's look at the side of the box. Shows a couple different scenes from it. Can you see that, Bobby?
I see it.
There is the back. Has sounds. Pretty good sized box. Like what it looks like. Count Dracula. All right, let's unbox it. Let's take the top off. Love that they do this now with this little strap.
Yeah, that's a nice feature. So much easier to get it out of the box.
Normally, when it's laid on its side, just grab a hold of this. You guys can see this right here. And it just pulls straight out. Makes it nice. Have your instructions. Always go around and make sure that there's nothing hooked on the outside. Right there it is. So I'm going to open it up this way. There's something inside there. So let's unstrap it right here. Let's pull this out first, see what's in here. It's Dracula. Looks pretty decent. Your cord to plug in, and got your little Bat Bonanza sign for on top of the ride.
And that's nice that they put them in different
nice.
sections like that.
And this breaks very easy, this little piece of styrofoam.
Yeah, that piece is thin.
So you want to always do that first. Let's just take the top off. And it's right. It's the right way we want it. Looks like they really packaged that well.
They did.
I mean, that is in there probably about the best I've seen. Now, whether or not I can get it back in there like that, I'll probably have to use this video to box it back up just to see how it was done. That's nice because the box was damaged. So this should not be damaged. We're going to take our time. See, let's just take this off first. Pull each one of these little guys out in between every one of them, so that's nice, so they don't get damaged.
Yeah, it helps keep from them moving.
Yeah.
And the shipment hitting each other.
And you want to take your time on this. Don't get all excited, because if you hurry, this stuff's pretty fragile. You could break it. So let's take this off. Take this last one out. It's in there. Well, this last one is in there pretty daggone good. And we'll be easy with it. There we go. An extra piece of styrofoam down there on that one. I think that's what happened with that.
I tell you what I like about these boxes. Like you said, they pull out easy, and you don't have all that styrofoam pieces going everywhere.
No. Yeah, these are nice. Got this around. This won't. I guess this won't break. That's nice. They wrap that so if you put that back in, it won't crack. Just try to pull this out. This does a good job, and this has a spot in the box for it to slide down in there, so you don't just throw it down in there. It just fits perfectly where the wires don't get messed up. I'm impressed. First look. Now comes the trick of getting it out. So let's see if it just pulls right up. Oh, this is going to pull out easy. I'm just going to do this with it. I'm going to sit it down. Just like that. How does it look?
It's pretty nice.
Let's just go over it with everybody at home too to see if anything's broken. Doesn't appear to be anything broken on it. Got your little styrofoam pieces. So those will be your just little pieces on it. All right, the two pieces that you saw earlier, pretty basic. Just fits right down in there. That'd be cool if that would have lit up.
Yeah, that would be nice.
The thing, sometimes I guess they could have put something on the tips to go down in there, because some of the old ones do light up. Maybe it's easier to do that in shipping. And Dracula, can you see him up close? Did he do a decent paint job on his face? He's a magnet. He's just going to go, right there's the magnet on the end. He's going to fit there because he's going to spin. All right, so now we're just going to go over it.
Now the back of the ride looks just like a cave. Here's where you plug it in.
Yep, looks nice. What's that going down the sides like right there? Some kind of roots, like tree roots or something. We'll start at the top. I like the sign. I like the purple on it. It has the bat, the Count's Bat Bonanza. But look at the cave entrance where the bats are hanging. What's that look like?
Fangs.
Yeah, you have some teeth.
You got your three bats
Yep.
hanging.
The only thing I don't like about the three bats is the center one's facing sideways. And they're rubber. So I don't know if you could turn it or not to get it facing forward. Let's look at Dracula, if I could zoom in on him without getting a blur. There he is. Doesn't look too bad. Decent paint job. How about the tower up there with the bats hanging around? Usually see gargoyles hanging around that, but let's take a look at the riders.
So you have a tiger.
Yep, right there's the tiger.
Cowboy. There's the mummy.
Yep, let's go this way to see the other ones. There's a jester. A witch. And it looks like a little princess. So they're not monsters riding the rides. They're like kids. So it seems more like a real carnival ride. Now let's go down here and look at the entrance. What do you think of that, Bobby? Have some little rats and a skull down there.
I like the lights.
Yeah, those are nice. There's like rats everywhere. Little tombstone. Another entrance to a crypt. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's supposed to be a bunch of blood or what. Like a little tower. Let's go on this side. Have a coffin with another rat on it. Some skulls. Looks like another crypt. just an overall nice piece. And look at the bats that the ride itself is. I'm happy with it. Question is, does it work? Let's find out.
Aren't you drinking?
I never drink. Why?
Well,
Now the moment of truth. Turn it on. There they go.
Well, that's as loud as it goes. That's pretty loud.
It is loud. You can't tell probably on here, but we won't play it that loud. Just see how it goes around. We're going to take it in and show it in the dark. There's the rides going up and down. Those look nice. Dracula spinning around on there. What do you think of it?
I like it. I think they did a nice job with it. A lot of detail.
It
I
did.
like that the lights are purple inside there.
Yeah, that's going to look nice in the dark.
It's like a fun ride.
Yeah, there's some more lights. We have these lights. Point those out, Bobby. It kind of, you see them? Yeah, they got the little ones. They shoot up on the ride, and there's more of them lit up all around it. There's your little flickering flames in the front. That's nice, like the fire. So, pretty happy with that. I'm really excited to see it in the dark. So we're going to head in and turn the lights out and see what it looks like there. We are in pitch black. Turn it on. Turn it on, Bobby. There it goes. Raise up. Look at those colors now.
The lights are very bright.
Yeah. That purple really sets it off. There's your little flames, your colors.
And I don't know if they could have put like some type of lights on the bat so you could actually see the costumes a little bit better.
Oh yeah, you can't see them. You can kind of see them right here when they go by, just for a second.
Yeah.
Got like a green tent back where the bats are hanging in the bat cave. And you can see the sign,
Yeah.
even though it's not lit up with lights itself.
I don't know if they could have put some lights maybe under here and, shot up.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. I've never made one before, so that's just my suggestion.
That is pretty nice.
Now, I do want to say, when you shut this off with the button, when you turn that off, make sure it goes through the cycle before you unplug it, because that will mess the ride up.
Yeah, probably break it. So if you just can't go and pull it out of the wall, or if you have a power cord, you just can't shut it down. It will ruin it. Pretty impressed with it. Glad we picked this up. I just wish it didn't cost that much, or I wish Michael's carried it and you could use a coupon on it. That's a very expensive piece.
This ride could suck the life right out of you.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed that little look at Lemax's 2022 Bat Bonanza. What did you think about it, Bobby?
I'm glad we were able to pick it up. Now, I wish we could have used the coupon, but Michael's didn't have it in the store. But I think it'll be a nice added piece to our carnival, because we like to do the rides and it had the little characters in it. A lot of nice detail on the faces. And I thought some of the lights were bright. It went up pretty loud, the sound and stuff, so I like it.
Yeah, it's a very nice piece. It's way overpriced. These pieces I think should go for $119. We can thank eBay for that, because once these pieces are retired, they get on eBay, people sell them $400 or $500. We even see some, there's an old funhouse that goes for like $1,000. So if you're interested in collecting carnivals, you better start getting the pieces now, and you want to get these when they come out. I don't know if Michaels will carry this next year. If they do, you could get it using a coupon. But I don't know if it's even going to be available next year, or they're going to carry it. They should have carried it this year, Michaels. What's wrong? It's the only piece you didn't have.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J and B
J&B have left the building. Happy Halloween, even though it's August.